Paying with Afterpay on Expedia is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the web browser. Then search here Afterpay. After that, click to open its site. Once you get into the site, click on search bar and search here Expedia. Then tap on Expedia from stores. After that, tap on Expedia app option from here. Once you get into Expedia, click on Going to, then select the place where you want to go. Then select the check-in and check-out date. Once you're done with this step, click to search for the availability. Then you can see the different hotels which can accommodate you on your selected days. Tap on whichever hotel you like and then click to reserve a room. Then tap to book now. After that, select your payment options. You can pay now or pay at property, so click on Pay at Property. It will take you to a secure booking page where you can enter your personal details like name, email, phone number, payment method, card number, security code, expiration date, then click to complete booking.